friend Debbie here from Southern Delight. Just want to give you a really quick 5-minute tutorial on how to transform an old rug into a Christmas rug. If you've been following me, you saw me turn an old rug into a Halloween rug that had my initial in it. Well, I've used the same technique and I made a Christmas rug. Using the same technique, I just went, instead of a pumpkin, I found a reindeer from the Dollar Tree. And I just had some spray paint. I had a can of red and a can of black. Took the rug, flipped it over to the black matte side. I took and sprayed a big area here red and made it wide enough that the stencil would fit in. And once you had that area spray painted, laid the stencil in it. Once it dried, took the black, spray painted over it, let it dry. Then I came back in and just had the outline. And then I used the same technique that I used on my Halloween one. And I took the bottom of a glue stick, dipped it in my little white paint, and made polka dots. The only difference is I didn't put my initial in this one, but it made a very cute rug to go along with my theme that I'm doing for Christmas. So I was really excited about that one. Just give you a little 5-minute tip on what you could do with those.